Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part two to my clay mask and everything else type video. If you guys are interested in the remainder of this video, stay tuned. But before we jump into the video, you already know what I'm about to say. Stop, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells. All right, so in part two, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how I apply my rinse to my hair. Now, as I mentioned, or if I haven't already mentioned, I don't put a rinse in my hair quite often because I already have too many steps in my routine, okay? But basically, I'm using the brand Adore. I've been using this brand for years, whether it's bright colors or just regular jet black. But I'm applying two different blacks in my hair by the brand Adore, and in the back I'm putting jet black in, and at the top you'll see me using blue black, and that's why I showed you guys two different bottles at the beginning of the video. Now my hair is freshly washed, cleaned. It's really clean, deep conditioned. I applied a clay mask, which I have a part one to this video. So if you have not checked out that video, I'll leave a card up top so you can check that out. You should watch that one before you watch this one. Anyway, my hair is clean. I am applying this rinse on clean hair, and basically what I'm doing, I have on gloves. I am squirting a dime size amount, at least I think it's a dime size amount, into the palm of my hands, and I am working that into small sections, and I'm taking that from tip or root to tip, and I'm just basically eyeballing it. If it feels like it's enough, and if it feels like it's coating the strands as much as I want it to, then I'll use a dime size amount. If I need to grab more, I will, but I mainly want this to go on the tips of the hair, or the ends, because that's the oldest part of the hair and it is the dullest. And before I went jet black, I did have brown tips in my hair, so I do want to make sure that I am coating the strands heavily, evenly, thoroughly, whatever you want to call it. I want to make sure I'm coating them completely. My hair was looking so dull. It was like a off black. Okay, now it's going to be jet black. It's going to look beautiful, shiny. It's going to look more healthy, and you want to make sure you are grabbing those ends. You guys grab those ends, and it's just a repetitive step. So I'm not going to show you guys my full head. I wash the rinse out, and I'm at this stage right now where I'm about to style. I'm not sure what I want to do, but this is how it's looking. I'm gonna take it down for you guys so you guys can see the true color. So basically what I did was I put jet black rinse on the back, and I put blue black rinse on the front. I let that sit in overnight. I rinsed it out this morning. I used one of my favorite conditioners, the Trader Joe's Nourish and Spa conditioner. You guys, this is my baby. This is my holy grail. This is my go-to. Anyway, I use this to rinse the rinse out, and then I reapplied this conditioner, and I left it in this state until I got back home. Now, like I said, it's been like this all day. I'm just gonna basically share with you guys how the color is looking. So, moment of truth, we're gonna take these clips out. Guys, I ain't trying to break no nail. I gotta go to church tomorrow. This is how the hair is looking, guys. Like, this is literally how it's looking. Feels great. Looks great. I think I'm gonna do my middle part again for my wash and go. But yeah, it feels amazing. But you guys, do y'all see that jet black rinse? I know y'all can tell the difference. My hair was looking so dull, and now I have the rinse in, so I'm like obsessed. So we're finna do a nice little wash and go, And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just a little recap. I washed my hair, I conditioned my hair, I clay masked my hair. I will say, I'll leave the benefits of the clay mask somewhere on the screen, but I will tell you guys, clay mask is going to be part of my monthly regimen. I might do a regimen video, a hair regimen video. I don't think I have one of those on my channel, so if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. But I'm going to include that in my hair regimen. So at least once a month, I'm going to do a clay mask. So I plan on repurchasing another clay mask. And I did, if I did not mention, I did add apple cider vinegar to my clay mask. I know some people add oils and all of that to theirs, but I just did the basic apple cider vinegar. And you can put the clay mask on your roots and on the strands of your hair. You guys, when I say I felt like my hair needed that mask, it needed it. Everything that clay mask says it does, it did in my hair. I am so obsessed with clay mask now. But I really do need a really good trim. I'm thinking about cutting my hair off either this year or next year, so I'm unsure as to what I want to do with this head of mask, but some changes is coming really soon. I just don't know what. But I did decide to put the rinse in because my hair was looking so dull. I have not applied a rinse to my hair in almost like 6 months. I'm so lazy because it's already a lot of steps in my routine when I wash my hair. So adding rinse as another step is just, it's just too much. And I try to stick to one day with doing hair, but that one day is consumed with just doing hair. Like, you guys, like every time I'm doing my hair, it's literally late at night. Like right now it's like 10:30 and I'm trying to style my hair, and literally I've been in the house for hours now. My hair is not completely dry, but like I'm so obsessed with this clay mask. But I'm loving the clay mask. I'm loving the rinse. It just brought life back into my hair, brought life back into my curls. So we're gonna do this young wash and go like I always do. And yeah, do this wash and go so I can get in this bed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you all enjoyed today's video, if you like this type of video, I just did, you know, a couple of steps, a couple of routines, how my wash day went. If you all enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, you guys, so this is how the hair is looking. It's about 99% dry. Anyway, what I'm going to do is, you all can tell my hair is so defined right now. It looks so healthy, so bright, so shiny, all of that good old stuff. What I am going to do is take a little oil and scrunch out the curls. But I will say that that clay mask contributed to this lovely hairstyle on today. But I'm obsessed. If you guys have not tried the clay mask, please do so. It is amazing. You won't regret it.